In 2026, artificial intelligence has become an everyday driver of American finance. What once felt experimental is now routine. Investors from New York to Los Angeles unlock stock market insights through AI dashboards instead of newspapers. College students trade on their phones using algorithmic models once available only to Wall Street hedge funds. Retirees manage portfolios with a level of precision that even expert advisors once struggled to offer. In just a few years, the landscape has shifted. And at the center of that shift are AI trading tools that forecast, analyze, warn, measure, and adapt faster than any human brain possibly could. This story begins not in boardrooms or hedge fund offices, but in living rooms, cars, cafes, classrooms, and anywhere people feel the pulse of the market and want to act on it. Today, the question is no longer whether AI belongs in stock trading. The real question is, which platforms stand out in 2026 as the most powerful tools for American traders who want to stay ahead? Across the United States, more than 100 million people now own stocks. The pandemic-era trading boom permanently changed investor culture. New investors learned quickly, and technology grew even faster. Companies invested billions into machine learning research, pattern recognition, and AI-powered financial modeling. And today, thousands of tools claim to be the best. But beneath the noise, a small number of platforms truly transform outcomes. They offer predictive analytics driven by neural networks' adaptive algorithms that learn from market changes in real time. Sentiment engines that scan news and social media instantly, and automated trading systems that manage risk with precision no human trader can match. These tools are not magic, and they do not guarantee profits, but they do eliminate guesswork. They increase clarity. They replace fear with structure. And most importantly, they give regular investors access to the same level of insight that high finance relied on for decades. One of the most powerful names in 2026 is Trade Ideas. This platform ISN, just a scanner S, a full intelligence engine running AI models trained on decades of market data. U.S. investors rely on it for automated trade ideas, back-tested strategies, and even AI-driven trading bots that can execute entries and exits automatically. What makes it stand out is precision. The system doesn't chase hype, and it doesn't blindly follow volatility. It tests thousands of scenarios, compares risk-to-reward ratios, and ranks opportunities based on statistical probability. For everyday traders, this means clarity in chaos. Instead of staring for hours at charts and candlesticks, the system presents trades with an explanation, logic, and reason. And that combination, speed plus validation, is exactly what modern traders need. Another major player is TrendSpider, an AI charting platform that has taken technical analysis to the next level. The stock market is full of patterns, trend lines, gaps, Fibonacci levels, supply and demand zones, and most traders struggle to map them accurately. Humans draw uneven lines. They misinterpret price moves. They get emotional. But TrendSpider removes subjectivity completely. It analyzes price action automatically, marking patterns that would take a trader hours to find. It alerts traders to breakouts and breakdowns. It updates charts instantly when new data appears. And for investors across the United States who base trades on technical structure, TrendSpider has become a crucial piece of their strategy. Then there is Kavout, an AI scoring platform that ranks stocks by predicting their future potential. The system crawls enormous amounts of data fundamentals, trends, price history, momentum, and even alternative data signals, and compresses all of it into a simple AI score called the K-score. For value investors or long-term analysts, this type of ranking system is powerful. It delivers a fast, objective read on whether a stock is stable, improving, weakening, or transforming. American investors who once spent days reading financial statements now combine that research with Covout scores for confirmation. The result is a hybrid approach, human strategy enhanced by machine calculation. TradeStation is another key technology dominating U.S. trading screens in 2026. With advanced AI automation, powerful charting, lightning-fast order routing, and professional-level strategy tools, TradeStation has become a preferred ecosystem for serious investors. Its AI capabilities provide predictions, screeners, and backtesting tools that meet institutional standards. In 2026, the line between retail trading and professional trading has blurred. TradeStation is a perfect example of that transition. America now trades with tools once available only to high-volume financial firms. Metastock has remained a strong force in the industry, especially among advanced technical analysts who rely on predictive modeling. Its AI forecasting engine doesn't guess. It measures probability based on historical cycles and price behavior. U.S. traders, who once built their trading systems manually, now use Metastock to automate their entire process, including custom strategy optimization, scanning, and market analysis. The platform has matured into a scientific instrument for serious trading minds. Capital.com continues to shape the U.S. investment landscape with AI-driven risk management and behavioral analytics. Instead of focusing purely on trade entries, it helps traders avoid self-destructive patterns revenge trading, over-leveraging, emotional entries, late exits, or FOMO-based decisions. AI tracks user behavior and steps in with warnings or suggestions. In 2026, avoiding mistakes is just as important as finding opportunities. This platform understands that psychology drives markets just as much as math. A newer breakthrough tool rising fast in 2026 is Equibot, which combines AI with ETF investing. Instead of picking individual stocks, investors can follow AI-managed portfolios designed to outperform the S&P 500. Machine learning identifies sectors with momentum, rotates money into strong trends, and manages portfolio balance continuously. Many American investors who don't want to trade daily but still want growth are choosing this automated approach. It's simple, low maintenance, and data-driven. But no technology in 2026 has grown faster than robo-advisors powered by advanced AI. Betterment, Wealthfront, and Schwab Intelligent Portfolios continue to dominate long-term U.S. investing by removing stress and replacing it with precision. These platforms build portfolios, rebalance investments, reinvest dividends, and manage taxes automatically. For millions of Americans planning retirement, AI advisory systems are replacing traditional financial advisors. They cost less, they adapt faster, and they produce consistent results. The rise of AI in America's trading culture is not just technological, it's cultural. Stock trading used to feel exclusive, intimidating, and limited to financial elites. In 2026, AI has transformed it into something democratic, accessible, and personal. A high school student in Texas can analyze markets with the same precision as a portfolio manager in Chicago. A married couple in Boston planning for retirement can invest confidently without years of financial training. A full-time worker in Florida can trade during lunch break using automatic alerts and predictions. And all of them rely on AI. Still, every investor must remember a truth. AI does not guarantee profits. It does not eliminate losses. Markets remain unpredictable. Economic shocks, geopolitical events, interest rate changes, and emotional surges always play a role. AI is powerful, but the trader is still responsible. The best investors in 2026 use AI tools not as a replacement for thought, but as a signal, a guide, a filter, and a companion. The real advantage comes from blending AI knowledge with personal judgment. And now, listen closely, because before we continue, here is something important. If you are someone who wants to understand finance clearly, if you want to stay ahead of the future of investing, if you want more breakdowns, more deep research, and more AI-powered market discoveries, then make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Tap the button. Turn on notifications, because this is the place where the future of finance becomes simple, understandable, and available to everyone. The stock market is evolving every day, and the knowledge we bring will help you move forward with confidence. So subscribe now and be part of the journey. As we move deeper into 2026, a new class of AI systems is developing platforms that not only analyze past data, but predict cultural and technological shifts. Some platforms use natural language models trained to understand market psychology at the same level as price history. Others examine satellite imagery to predict supply chain movement, or scan earnings transcripts with emotion detection technology to measure leadership confidence. Soon, AI will not only track what the market has done, but why it did it, and what it may do next. This new wave of AI is moving beyond numbers. It is studying fear, optimism, global activity, and human behavior. Markets are mathematical, yes, but they are also deeply emotional. And AI is learning to measure both. The United States remains the epicenter of trading technology. Silicon Valley engineers, New York quants, Chicago algorithm designers, and fintech startups across the country are working around the clock to build the next innovation. The market demands it. More Americans are investing in stocks than ever before, not just to make money, but to secure futures, build families, and create possibility. Technology is no longer optional. Lit is expected. Investors ask different questions now. Not, how do I trade? But which AI tools give me the most strategic advantage? And those who master these tools are shaping their financial destiny. The story of AI and U.S. stock trading is still unfolding. In the next decade, we may see AI-powered brokerages without human employees. AI-driven hedge funds operated entirely by autonomous software. Stock exchanges connected directly to neural trading systems, or digital financial assistants that manage portfolios without effort. This future may sound unbelievable, but in 2016, AI trading for everyday Americans sounded unbelievable too. In 2026, it is normal, and in 2036, it may be essential. So let's return to the core. The best AI tools for stock trading in the USA in 2026 are defined by reliability, data accuracy, predictive strength, and user transparency. Investors must always ask, does the tool simplify trading? Does it increase clarity? Does it reduce emotional mistakes? Does it offer true data, not illusions? And does it back its results with evidence, not claims? Because at the end of the day, successful trading is built on structure, discipline, and understanding, not hype. The future belongs to investors who combine AI intelligence with personal focus. Those who learn, adapt, and grow with technology will succeed. Those who wait will struggle. The stock market is not slowing down. It is accelerating. And AI is the engine. Whether you are a new investor searching for guidance or a seasoned trader refining strategy, the tools of 2026 give you power. Use them wisely. Learn deeply. Trade responsibly. And stay curious. The market is evolving. Opportunity is expanding. And this is your moment.